this video, I will show you how to get Roblox Premium. So you can do this from your desktop or your phone app. And what I'm going to show you is basically how you can get the Roblox Premium subscription. And let's say you want a subscription and you're not sure on how to get it, then I'm just going to show you what you need to do. So first of all, you need to be logged into the account where you want the premium subscription on. So assuming you have that done, you need to click on Get Premium in here if you are on a PC. And if you are on phone, you can do this in the settings. So go ahead and click on Get Premium. And from here, you will see Roblox Premium. And this is basically what you are getting. When you have Premium 450, you'll get 450 Robux each month. When you get Premium 1000, you will get 1000 a month, and on for the 2200. So that is basically how you do it. You'll get a lot of items and discounts and a lot of benefits in game. And you will also get more than the Robux. You also have the ability to trade items. So you can just go ahead and select the subscription that you want. So you can just go ahead and select this 451, this 1001, or this 2201. And if you want to subscribe, you need to just click on subscribe now and here. So let's go ahead and do that. And then you will see when your subscription will be renewed, and you can select your payment type in here. So you can pay with a credit card, with a debit card, with PayPal, or you can just redeem a Roblox card. So this is how you need to get Roblox Premium. Just go ahead and click on your preferred payment method. Then you will be redirected to the checkout screen. And once you go through the process in your preferred payment method, you will automatically get the Roblox Premium subscription on your account. So it's really easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.